Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to get TD car insurance online in 2025. You can complete the whole process from your phone or computer. First, visit the TD Insurance website. Go to tdinsurance.com and click on Get a Car Insurance Code. Next, you'll be asked for some basic information: your province, your car details, your driving history. Fill out this information accurately because it affects your rate. After that, enter your personal details: name, date of birth, license information, then provide your vehicle details: year, make, and model. Be honest to ensure your quote is accurate. Step 3 is customizing your coverage. Choose your coverage level: liability, collision, and comprehensive. You can also add extras like roadside assistance or accident forgiveness. Finally, get your insurance code. You'll receive a real-time code showing your rate. If you're happy with it, you can apply online instantly and even set up monthly payments or bundle with home insurance for discounts. And that's it. You've just applied for TD car insurance online in 2025. Fast, simple, and 100% digital. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.